Advanced Ads, the ad management plugin for WordPress.
Hey there! If your monetized website has visitors who actively engage in the comments section beneath your posts, you might have already thought about injecting ads between those comments. Today, I'm going to show you how to do that with Advanced Ads Pro. Our premium plugin features a placement called Custom Position. With it, you can pick or indicate a fixed HTML element in your front end and place your ad in relation to it. This makes it the perfect tool to embed ads between comments. Let me show you how. First, navigate to Placements. Create a new placement and select the Custom Position type. Give it a clear name and select an ad if you have prepared one. Save the placement and scroll down to review its options. The Custom Position placement lets you place a dedicated element into your code, for example with a custom HTML block. But in this case, we'll use the option By Existing Element. Click on Select Position, and Advanced Ads will take you to your front end. Notice how elements highlight as I hover over them. Navigate to one of your posts, scroll down to the Comments section, and click on the box that fully contains the first comment. Advanced Ads will take you back to placements in your backend. You'll see that it has filled the input field next to the button with a selector that clearly identifies the element you have selected. Let's choose the Below option, save the placement, go to the front end and refresh. Voila! There's our ad underneath the first comment. Now, what if you want the ad to repeat? Here's a quick solution I'd like to show you. I use Blocksy, but it should look roughly the same for your theme. In the Selector field, there's a jQuery selector that selects only the first element that matches the preceding CSS class called even. Remove it, save the placement, go to your front end and refresh. Isn't that exciting? Advanced Ads will inject the ad beneath each comment that has the even class. In this case, the first, third and fifth comment. In order to round off this video tutorial, I'll quickly dip into conditions. You can fine-tune targeting and determine who should see your ads by adding visitor conditions. Also, consider adding display conditions to limit the ad, for example, to specific posts, categories or tags. With this level of control, your ads become more efficient and less intrusive to your readers. And that's it. The Custom Position feature of Advanced Ads Pro lets you embed ads into your comment section with just a few clicks and helps you increase your revenue.
Advanced Ads, the ad management plugin for WordPress.